What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tally. So Tally is a new type of online form builder that works like a text document. Just start typing on the page and insert block same as Notion. And currently I am here on the dashboard or homepage. And as you can see right here on the middle, you can create a form without signing up. But for just the sake of this video, I'm going to sign up. And to do that, just simply click on the sign up option here at the top right. And you can either continue with Google, Apple, or your personal email. So I'm going to go with Google. Now, once you have signed in, it will ask you what kind of work you do and how did you discover Tally. So there's a drop down menu right here that you could click on. And you could pick from the list right here. So it could be a student, educator, product engineering, and more right here. So for me, I'm just going to set it to student. And how did you discover Tally? And if you click on that, there's also a list of options right here. So I'm going to put, let's say, Facebook. And once that's done, just simply click on Take Me to Tally. Now, once you're here, you will be automatically redirected to the dashboard. And now we can start creating our form by clicking on the new form option right here. Then wait for it to load. Now, once that is done, you will be brought right here on your workspace. So you could either press enter to start from scratch, or you could use a template. So I'm going to use a template right here. So I'm going to click on it. And here it will show you all of the available templates that you could use. So there are tons of templates that you could choose from. So registration form templates, contact form, web project intake, customer feedback, job application form, online trivia quiz. So let's say I'm going to go with feedback form right here. So I'm just going to simply click on it. And there will be a preview of the form or the template that you have selected right here. So you could check it out for yourself. So I won't go through all that since I'm going to use it anyways. So just simply click on use this template here on the top right. Then wait for it to load. And once that's done, you will be automatically brought to your workspace again with the template of your choice. So here you could customize the title if you want. You could also add some logos. You could also customize it. So if I click on customize here, I could set it to dark theme. And I could also change the font if I want. And if you want to change your logo, just simply click on the logo right here. And you could either add an image or upload a link right there. And let's say I'm going to change the title to customer feedback form. So I'm just going to change it just like that. Feedback form. So that's good. I'm just going to go X this out first. So you could basically change everything right here. So you could change the email. And you could also change this. And if you want to remove this sentence, you just simply need to delete this block just like that. And if you want to add the block, you just simply need to click insert block below and it will insert a block under the part that you've inserted into. So let's say I'm going to insert a short answer question right type right here. And I'm just going to simply insert it. And as you can see, I can now type a question. So I'm just going to remove it since I don't need it anyways. And if you want to change the arrangement of some questions, so let's say I want to move this question right here, just like that. So here I just moved it and removed the other block. Or let's say I want to put this part on the second page. So I'm just going to click on this to drag it just like that and put it on the second page. Let's do it again. And boom, it is now on the second page. For the first page, it will be the email. And I'm also going to add like, let's say phone number, or rather, let's go back to the short answer right here. And I'll just simply say, what is your name? Now, once that's done, that should be good. Now we'll go back to the second part right here. So you could edit all of this out. And if you want to remove something, as I said, you just simply need to click on this delete icon. And now you could check out all of the things that you want right here. And you could also remove this thank you page if you don't like it. And to do that, just simply click on remove right here. And it will basically not show if you disable it. And as you can see right here, a thank you page is the last page respondency after submitting a form. So it's up to you if you want to enable or disable it. But for me, I'm going to leave it at that. So there are a ton of blocks that you could choose from. So if I click on insert block below here again, there's a ton of stuff you could choose from questions like short answer, long answer, multiple choice, check boxes, drop downs, multi-select number, email, phone number. You could also add some rankings if you want, and also the layout blocks. You could add some headings, the thank you page right here, or just simply a new page that you could start from scratch. And also embed blocks like image, video, audio, and also you could embed anything. And we have the advanced blocks, which is the conditional logic, and the input blocks right here. Now, if you want to have a preview of your form, you just simply need to click on the preview option here on the top right, and it will show you what it will look like on what other users will see So let's say I'm going to input my email, then click on next. And if this pops up, it basically means that that particular question is required, which is right here. And if I go back to editor and you want to remove that required option, you just simply need to click on it. And as you can see, the required option is gone, just like that. And if I go back to preview right here, if I click on next, it will automatically go next since I've removed the required option. Now, once you're done, you just simply need to click on publish right here. Now, as you can see, your form is now published and ready to be shared with the world. So copy this link to share your form on social media, messaging apps, or via email. So you can copy this one, or you could also use a custom domain if you want. And here's the embed form where you could use the options right here to embed your form into your own website. And you could also create a template so for others to use it. So as you can see, do you want others to be able to use your form as a template? Create a template and share the link for others to use. And if you go to summary right here on the left side, you will see all of your summary right here. And for the submissions, and here on the integration section, you could use a ton of tools. So there are a ton of tools I could choose from. Let's say you want to connect your Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable, Webhooks, Slack, Zapier, and a ton of other stuff right here. And if you go to the insights question, you will see like the analytics of your forms, so the visits, the unique visitors, submissions, unique respondents, and of course the visit duration. And if you click on settings right here, you will see all of the customizable settings that you can do or that you can change. So there's the progress bar, the redirect on completion, partial submissions, which is included on the pro plan. So we'll discuss the pricing later at the end of this video. And there's also the submissions data retention, the email notifications, the access part where you could choose the password protect form, close form on the scheduled date, limit number of submissions, close for message, and prevent duplicate submissions. So let's say you want to limit the number of submissions to like 10. If you click on this, there will be a drop down right here where you could say, I just want a maximum of 100 submissions, and just simply click on save changes. Once that's done, and as you can see, it will be set to 100 just like that. And there's also the behavior section where you could enable or disable the auto jump to next page or save answers for later. And now if you go back to the homepage, you will see all of your workspaces and all of the forms that you have created. And here at the bottom, as you can see, there are some guides that you could check out. So how to guides, if you click on this part, you will see the common guides right here, payment guides, embed guides, notion guides, hidden field guides, and analytics guides. So let's say I'm going to check out the hidden field guides right here, and it will show me all of the guides right here. So you could populate hidden fields with MailChimp, populate hidden fields with Active Campaign, and also with HubSpot, and capture marketing channel attribution data in Tally with Attributor. Now let's check out the Tally right here, or the pricing of Tally. So you could either pay monthly or yearly. But if you go yearly, you can get 2 months off and also a discount. So from monthly, which is $29 and $89, if you go yearly, you can get $24 and $74 per month. For the upgrade to Pro, it's 24, and for the upgrade to Business, it is 74. So what's included in the Pro plan is you could remove the Tally branding. So hide your branding and make all forms truly your own. And also the custom domains right here where host forms on your custom subdomain to create branded links. And for the collaboration part, you could invite unlimited team members to shared workspaces, partial submissions, capture unfinished form responses, before respondents submit their form, and also some advanced customization. So customize your forms with built-in design options. And we also have the custom CSS, so you could inject custom CSS to fully control your form design. And also the email notifications, so send tailored emails to yourself and respondents. The custom email domain, so you can send email notifications from your custom domain, and customized link preview right here, and also the workspaces, so group related forms and workspaces, and manage team members' access rights. And you can also get unlimited uploads or remove the 10 MB per file size limit when using the file upload block. And also the form visit analytics, so extended historical data for key metrics such as visits, visit duration, and traffic sources. Also, our drop off analytics, where you could identify where respondents abandon your form and increase completion rates. And the premium integration, so you could analyze traffic sources with Google Analytics and optimize ad campaigns with Metapixel, and also the version history where you could restore your form to a previous version up to 30 days ago. And if we go to the business part or to the business plan, So basically everything in Pro is included right here, plus these other features. So you can get control data retention, so automatically delete form submissions after a set period to comply with privacy frameworks. And you can also verify emails and confirm respondents' email addresses to capture high quality leads and increase conversions. And also our version history, where you can restore your form to a previous version up to 90 days ago. And also more features that they are still working on. So we are working on more business features. That's why you need to stay tuned and wait for any updates. That's basically it, guys, for this video. Just a quick overview of Tally. That's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you have found this video helpful. And if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might also find this video helpful. And that's it, guys. I will see you on the next one.